I can't believe this. How this homemade pomade double my hair in few months. Guys, the result is unbelievable. So please, if your hair had been stuck at the same length, breaking or not growing faster enough, please do not scroll, because only this one simple recipe will be a whole game changer for you. It will help you to achieve those your hair goals, stop those breakage, and give you that faster hair growth. When I said faster hair growth, guys, this recipe is a whole game changer. So if you are ready, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's dive into this recipe. Those ingredients we'll be using on this video is what make this hair growth pomade super powerful. So our first ingredient is Brahim powder. Brahim powder promotes faster hair growth, strengthen the hair roots, stop shedding, breakage, and thicken up your hair. I will make use of 1 tablespoon of my Brahim powder. I bring my bowl and transfer 1 tablespoon of my Brahim powder. Our second ingredient is Amla powder. Amla powder promotes hair growth, stop hair shedding, hair breakage, hair fall, strengthen your hair from the roots to the tip of your hair, darken your hair, and also give you that voluminous, healthy hair you can ever imagine. Adding Amla powder into this hair growth pomade, guys, is a whole game changer. It will help to make this hair growth pomade more powerful, more effective, and more potent. So if you are struggling with weak strands, or your hair is always breaking unnecessary, or your hair is slow in growth, please make sure you add Amla powder in this hair growth pomade. It will make it a whole difference, okay? So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my Amla powder. Our third ingredient is Chebe powder. Chebe powder is one of the secret ancient remedies that have helped thousands of women to grow their hair like crazy. Chebe powder can boost your hair retention, help you for moisture, strengthen your hair, boost faster hair growth, stop breakage, shedding, and also help your hair to appear shinier, healthier, and fuller. If you are looking for a way to retain length, try to use Chebe powder, because Chebe powder can help you to retain a lot of length, okay? So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my Chebe powder. So these are the 3 powerful herbs I have combined together to make this powerful hair growth pomade. So next thing, now I add my carrier oil. Use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, any carrier oil you can rinse your hand on. Please make use of it, okay? So I just add a little carrier oil into my herbs, okay? This is one secret hack I want you guys to know. When making this, don't add too much carrier oil into your herbs mix. Add a little carrier oil the same way I did. The reason is to make these herbs oil to be very potent, okay? Unless you want to get more oil, maybe you want to get oil from these herbs, then it can increase your measurement of your herbs, okay? That means it can make use of 3 tablespoons of each herbs, then it can increase the oil a little bit. But please don't use too much oil, so that this herbs oil can be super potent. I hope you're understanding me. So another thing is how to infuse it. Do not infuse this in direct heat. Please infuse this by double boiling method, please, so that you not kill the nutrients of these herbs, okay? If you infuse it in direct heat, the potency or the effective of these herbs into the oil will be less. So but if you do it in double boiling method, In that way, it make this oil more potent, okay? And also all the whole nutrients of this herbs are very, very intact. I hope you're understanding me. So before I transfer this bowl that contain my herbs and my oil, the water is already boiling, okay? In that way, it will make this infuse more faster, and also to make this not to sit longer in the fire, okay? So I only infuse this only but 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I bring it down and I like to sit for 6 to 7 hours before I strain it. But if you can also leave it overnight, because the more you leave it, the more this oil is more potent, okay? Please make sure you follow the instruction I'm giving to you in this video if you want to grow your hair like crazy, if you want to get that 10 times faster hair growth with this hair growth pomade. Please do not skip any of this step I'm sharing with you, okay? So after 7 to 6 hours, I bring my oil and bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my oil. As you can see how potent and how this oil is a little thicker. As you can see, it's a little thicker because it's very, very potent, okay? That's why I say you should not add too much oil on it, so that the oil can be very, very potent. Just how this oil is. This oil is a whole game changer, okay? So after extracting the oil from the chaff, now this is what we have so far. This is how this oil is super potent. So the residues or the chaff, I will now throw them away, okay? But you can also transfer the chaff or the residues into a jar, then add in hot water to infuse it, to use it as your tea spray, okay? Because there are still some more potent into those herbs, okay, or into those chaff, okay? So using it as a tea spray, you still get more benefits with it, okay? Next is to add some butter and pomade that will make this hair growth pomade that super effective, potent and powerful, enable to grow your hair super faster. The first thing I add is 2 tablespoons of my shea butter. Then I also add 2 tablespoons of my blue magic pomade. Third is my veggie hair fertilizer hair cream. I also add 3 tablespoons of my veggie hair fertilizer hair cream. Please pay close attention to get all the whole ingredients I'm used, okay? All these butters I'm adding and all this pomade I'm adding, it will help to make this hair growth pomade that super effective, that super potent, and that super powerful, okay? So please make sure you pay close attention and get all the whole thing I add, okay? So please don't be confused, okay? That first hair fertilizer I add have already finished, so I bring another one, okay? So it's still the hair fertilizer I'm still adding, okay? So that make it 3 to 2 tablespoons of my hair fertilizer. The fourth pomade is Damator hair pomade. I also make use of 2 to 3 spoons of my Damator hair cream. Guys, these are the things that you can use on your hair and you will never ever regret it. Combine all these things together, is a whole game changer. Your hair will definitely grow like crazy. Guys, you will never experience stagnant hair growth, hair shedding, itching scalp, dandruff, and so many of them. Don't worry, there are still more things, okay? So next thing again I add is my vitamin E capsule. I make use of 2 capsules of my vitamin E. So next is my essential oils. These are another important thing you need to add, okay? But if you don't have essential oil, do not worry. I make use of some drop of my tea tree essential oil, my peppermint essential oil, and my rosemary essential oil, okay? So if you have more essential oil, please also use them. But if you have only one essential oil, also use it. But if you don't have any essential oil at all, please, only these ones, they are very okay, okay? You are good to go with them, okay? So after combine them together, next thing now is to melt it. I'll still do the boiling method. Please don't ever use direct heat to do any of this, okay? And also do not put this in your microwave, because microwave will also neutralize some power of this pomade, okay? Only way you can melt this is only by the boiling method. Do not do more than that, please, okay? If you really want this pomade to give you that crazy result the same way you give to me, follow the instruction, okay? So after leaving it on top of my hot water for a while, you see it, everything have melt, everything have dissolved. So immediately I bring it down from that hot water, and then this the hair growth pomade. So guys, as you can see, this hair growth pomade is very simple to prepare, very simple step to follow, okay? So this hair growth pomade, don't ever let down on this hair growth pomade. If you are not ready to grow dye your hair, if you are not ready to double dye your hair, please, this hair growth pomade is not for you. It's not only to grow your hair, it also help you to retain length. It also help to stop those itching scalp, dandruff, hair breakage, and so many of them. There's a lot of benefits you'll be gotten in using this hair growth pomade. It will keep your hair super healthy and super natural shiner, okay? It will restore a lot of things from your hair, restore your damaged hair, and so many of them. Guys, this hair pomade is also effective in waking up your dormant hair follicles, okay? So next is to be my container that will help me to store this my pomade, okay? So after transferring it, I will keep it aside to cool down for some minutes, okay? Once it have cooled down completely for some minutes, 30 minutes or an hour, it will solidify. So there's no need of putting this in the freezer, okay? Do not put in the freezer, just keep it on top of your cabinet, okay? And it will solidify, okay? So after some minutes to an hour, mine have cooled down and it's already solidified. But as you can see, it's not that solid, okay? I will tell you why I don't want mine to be solid, okay? And also, if you want yours to be solid, I also tell you what to do to get that solid form, okay? Now let me show you how I apply this on my hair for that best results. Please pay close attention to get the most important part of this, because the process of applying this is what will help you to grow dye your hair, to solve those your hair problems, okay? So to apply this powerful hair pomade, first of all, don't ever apply it on a dry hair. I have already used my herbal tea to damp my hair, but if you don't have herbal tea, you can use plain water to damp your hair. Do not apply this on a dry hair. Please do not apply it on a dry hair. I repeat again, please, okay? So after damping my hair with my herbal tea, the second step is to apply my leave-in conditioner. Use any leave-in conditioner you have. I'm using my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. Thirdly, please make sure you work in session, okay? Working in session will help you to make sure your hair is fully moisturized, okay? It's very important, okay? Now the first step is to bring the star of the show, the hair growth pomade we just prepared earlier, okay? So this is the step you must follow to use this hair growth pomade to get that effective results. Do not skip any of this step if you are ready to see that faster result with this hair growth pomade. If you want this hair growth pomade to work super amazing on your hair, please do not skip applying herbal tea first on your hair or water on your hair, okay? Another important thing you need to know or you need to do with this hair growth pomade, whenever you're applying it on your hair, make sure you work it in properly on your hair. Whether your hair is in braid or in twins, okay, or in cornrows, please work it in properly. Take your time to work it in properly. See the way I was working it in properly to make sure that this pomade didn't penetrate deeply on this my braid, okay? So that my hair will be fully moisturized and also my hair will get that full benefit of this hair growth pomade. Now let me tell you why I do mine in a liquid form, because I want to use it both on my scalp. Yes, this is the way you can get the more faster result with this hair growth pomade. If you make it more thicker, if I prepare this pomade to be solid form, I cannot be able to apply it on my scalp. Even though I apply it on my scalp, I'll just apply a little, and also it will cause product build up faster on my hair. So that's the reason why I make mine in a liquid form, so that I can freely moisturize my scalp with this hair growth pomade, and that is where I will get more effective results and more powerful results with this pomade. So using it both on the strands of my hair and also on my scalp without me thinking any bad negative with it is a whole game changer. Okay, so if you also want to use this pomade on your scalp, please make it to be also this watery. Okay? Believe me, this is one of the way you can get the most powerful result with this hair growth pomade. Now, how many times can you use this hair growth pomade for that crazy hair growth? It depends on how you moisturize your hair. If you moisturize your hair 2 times in a week, use it. Or you moisturize your hair 3 times in a week, use it. You can also use it as your night scalp massage. That's why I say making it to be this watery is the best, because maybe any day you're not moisturizing your hair with your herbal tea, then you can only take a little amount of this, rub it on your palm, and use it to do your night scalp massage. Guys, this hair growth pomade is a must try. This hair growth pomade will grow your hair like crazy. I don't need to talk too much, I don't need to preach too much on this hair growth pomade. Just go and prepare it and come back and tell me your results. I can't wait to get your feedback when you try this hair growth pomade. And also, please try to be consistent with this hair growth pomade. In a few weeks or in a month time, you will see huge difference on your hair. Your hair will start growing. You will never experience those excessive shedding, breakage, or hair fall, and you will retain a lot of length. Okay, just try to use this pomade the way I direct you. And also, this hair growth pomade is also effective in regrowing your edges or any of problem area you want to regrow. If you want to use it to regrow your edges or any of your problem area, use it every night on that place. Massage your scalp every day. Be consistent with it for 2 weeks. You will see baby hair start coming out from that place. There's no joke, there's no capping. Okay, just go ahead and try it the way I direct you, and you testify. Okay, and make sure you massage your scalp properly whenever you use this pomade. It play a huge good role in this hair growth pomade. Okay, so guys, if you are ready to grow your hair this year, if you are ready to see huge difference on your hair before this year will runs out, use this hair growth pomade. And also comment in comment section below, so I'm ready to see change on my hair before ending of 2025. I repeat, comment in comment section below, say I'm ready to see huge difference on my hair before ending of 2025, and I will know that you have watched up to this point and you are the really MVP. I love you so much for that. Okay, so guys, please, if there's anything I did not cover up on this video, feel free to let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, please do wait to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to all. Okay, so you don't miss my future upload videos. Okay, and also please help me to like this video. It encourages me a lot, and also help the growth of the channel. And lastly, share this video to your family and friends. It will help 1,000 people out there to achieve massive good results. Okay, so guys, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.